You should always be prepared for safety accidents in the lab. Before conducting an experiment, you should always find safety equipment and develop a habit of wearing it. Please find a safety glasses and lab coat and wear it. Now let's experience a safety act. Let's find out how to operate the alcohol lamp. Please find the alcohol lamp and igniter and put it on the white table. Open the lid of the alcohol lamp and stick it on as if it's on fire. Close the lid and turn it off. Cover twice as evaporated alcohol may remain inside. If you burn your hand, move away from what caused the burn and put your hand under cool water. To prevent infection and protect wounds, the burn area should be covered with clean gauze. Good job! Please press the next button. Let's find out the situation where the wound occurs during the experiment. Find the beaker and put him. If the tool breaks, don't touch the piece and stop the bleeding. Look at the arrow mark and find. Good job! Afterwards, now let's clean up the alcohol lamp. Please put the alcohol. There's a fire. Lift the fire extinguisher near the door, pull out the safety pin, and extinguish the fire with the right trigger button. Well done. Other than that, if you have harmful chemicals on